This motherfucker panhead oil pump's gonna learn a lesson today. Wants to be the one that leaks oil all over the fucking floor when it sumps. I will show you. Spring. I'll put a new one. Little check ball in here. Hopefully it'll come out. Use the air blower to get it out, like a fucking caveman with an air compressor. This will also get changed. I will show you. Larry!
Yeah.
Bring me some brake cleaner, please. Sir.
Here.
Thank you. How the fuck this got here? What the fuck is this? I don't know. It breaks my heart to clean this because it's a dirty barn bike. But I will show you what is got my little tool here that recuts the seat, redresses the seat, like doing a little mini valve job on it. It's not very difficult. It's pretty good. Oh, here comes my buddy. I'll have to look inside with my phone, but I'm sure it's fine. This thing works pretty good. Show you. You can kind of see the ring. I don't know if these glasses are going to pick it up. New check ball and spring, wherever the fuck they are. Everyone keeps asking me to make videos. Now you're gonna regret it. This special little box given to me by the late Ernie and Charlie Sundell. They're fucking mentors for me and good friends. I get to think about them every time I reach into this box. Check ball and spring. Here we go. So this thing was built super early 70s. This is the original spring from when the pump was done. This is the new spring, how much it's collapsed, which takes a bunch of pressure to stop the away from the check ball so it'll sump easier. And we fucked with the seat too. So anyways, that's it. Now I gotta start it and get whatever's left sitting in the crankcase out. See what happens. Yeah, I haven't started in a while, so it might hurt my dick and leg doing it. probably turn on the fuel. Got the kid in today, giving me a hand, showing me how things work. Let's go. Don't spill it.
Jesus Christ.
Yeah, you gotta lift it up, man.
Say when?
I don't know. Till it comes out the top. I don't know. Hold on. I think it was fucking empty, so we're probably pretty good.
Yeah. I don't want to use all the gas because you
It's junk anyways. It's not. It's like a regular grade. It won't work for everything else. It's on reserve. I don't got it on the choke. A 62 pan that was built by my buddy Dennis 50 years ago. It's as old as me. Might even actually be before. It was not on the road since 2004 when I got it, and we got it running, and I changed a few things, tires and a couple things like that. I have to still figure out the seat because my balls sit in front of the seat. Yeah, bike means a great deal to me to be the caretaker currently of it. And I was trying to ride it, but I have an injured shoulder, and it was a little too much for some fucking reason, and I crashed it in my shop like an idiot. I didn't hurt nothing. Soon, maybe next year, as I'm feeling better.